Until beautiful areas in the motherland for you to own a property. These are areas that people are coming to build their houses. You know what I mean? People are coming to build their houses here, buy lands in these areas and build their houses. This is a guest house and I'll be showing you all around. The person that is having this house is an African that is in Germany. So all what he is working, the money that he's making in Germany, he is sending it back to the motherland for his constructions. And this is a guest house that we are. So like I always tell you all that Africans that are coming to the US, to Europe, all the money that they are making, they are sending it back to the motherland for things like this. And I also want the African diaspora to also do same. All right, this is your motherland and you all need to do same.
Everything is set okay here. Understand? It's very, very comfortable. We have studio, we have VIP section, and many more other services. You're gonna like it. Let's go.
Of me seeing foreigners like the Chinese acquiring, stuff and properties in Africa, opening up businesses in Africa. I want my own people to come feel the motherland. I want my own people to come and be all over the motherland. Matter of fact, I want them to be everywhere so that there's not even going to be space left for any other person, if you know what I mean.
Come on, listen. Everything here is cool over here. You see, this is the back section. This is the back section. You can go behind. Yes. Another studio is there. Everything is cool, nice. Another studio section. And here is the garage section. So we have three park section. Three park section. One car can stand over there, the other one stand here, another one stand here also. So you see, everything here is cool. Okay. The reception is like this. And you see the beautiful design up here. Beautiful design. Check on this one.
Hmm? If I've been going to have my I will still. Mm-hmm. You know, get issue if I post something for YouTube now.
You know what issue is? These are the best. Everything here is cool, guys. You see, we have the automatically the automatic light. Immediately as you are entering, it has an eye. You see, it went off.
Rose gold. This house is rose gold. A very beautiful house. This man has around 3 of these kind of houses here in the motherland.
Sit like this. You can sit like this. You can rest. Everything is very, very fantastic over here. And also you can see the other section. People are busy doing their things. Really busy doing their things. People are here busy doing their things. Everything about this place is cool. So cool, man.